Hello everyone and welcome to another ToogleBox tutorial. Today we are going to be learning about our signature management feature. The signature is a powerful marketing tool to reinforce the company branding. It is the ideal place to promote marketing campaigns, company events, and special promotions for your products and services. It allows you to lower the acquisition cost if you take into account the huge number of emails that are sent daily to your customers, prospects, vendors, and all your recipients. So before we learn about the signature, let's see how we assign the persons that will be handling this function. In order to do that, we have to go to the configuration section of ToogleBox. When we click on this tab, we will see a place to add administrators. And this is where we can add the email of the person who's going to be in charge of signature. And we can assign that person the signature administrator role. That person could even be somebody that you hire, an external company, and you will give them the possibility to use only that feature. So let's see how our signature management tool works. As you see here, we have several domains because this is a multi-domain environment. If not, you will only see your domain and the place to create the signature. You have to enter the name of the new signature, and when you click on create, this screen will appear. The first step is the signature editor. This is where you are going to design your template. You are going to add the info that you want from the Google user profile. You can add images with links. You can add symbols and use tables in order to align all the elements that you are designing. Once you finish designing, then you have to choose where that signature is going to be applied. It could be to the complete domain or to a specific organizational unit or to a specific persons. Then you have to choose when the signature is going to run. Signatures run daily in order to make sure that everything is updated. So before we design a signature, I am going to show you some examples. This one is the signature for a school. As you see, it contains the logo of the schools with the information of the person. This is the motto of the school, educating leaders and lifelong learners. And these are two links to very useful web page for that school. These include digital content for professors, and this is also a community of persons that work in the education sector to help them prepare better. So all this information is included in this signature, and then the next one is for a company. Okay, in this signature you will see that it includes the corporate colors of the logo in the personal information, and it also has this banner to promote the social media accounts and also to perform specific actions such as signing up for the newsletter of the company or getting a quote. So this signature shows how a lot of elements can be included. This is an award that the company received. This third example is from one of our customers, and it's like a mini web page on the signature. They decided to include the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and the frequently asked question links on their signature. They also have this promotional banner, these awards, and the personal information. Let's jump into our signature editor again. The first step is to design the template. You must first select the information you want to include. Full name, title, and department. For each one of these fields, you can edit them. So for example, you can change the font to another one and change the size and maybe put the name in bold. And then you will probably add an image here. This is where you upload images from your computer. This is where you insert and edit those images. And maybe you want the photo of the employee, but let's make it simple for now. So then, let's say I'm going to apply this for the complete domain. Since this domain has already a signature, it's asking me if I want to change it. Okay? To see how it looks, I have to click on the preview. So here I have the values of the 3 fields that I included. If somebody has this information incomplete on their user profile, you will see blanks in the signature. This is why it is very important to have the information updated. I am going to go back and choose the signature I'll show you before. See here, you can see that this signature was designed using a table with several rows and columns, and these images here have assigned the link where it's going to be and the title. This is what appears when you do a mouse over. So this is where you are going to include all the formatting for your signature. If we do the preview here, we can see how it looks. Okay? So with this, we have finished this introductory tutorial for signature. Designing a signature takes time and a lot of tips that you have to use in order to get a nice signature. But if you need more information, you can contact us at contact@ToogleBox.com. Thank you.